Imagine you're a hacker, scouring the dark web for a valuable treasure trove of data. You stumble upon a server with hundreds of encrypted passwords. Jackpot. But just as you're ready to crack them open, you realize they're protected by an elusive, little-known technique called salting. Salting is the process of adding random data to each password before hashing it. This salt is unique for every password, so even if two users have the same password, their hashes will look completely different. For hackers, this means they can no longer rely on pre-computed rainbow tables or other time-saving techniques. But the story doesn't end there. As computing power grew, hackers adapted their tactics. They started deploying specialized password-cracking rigs, harnessing the power of graphics cards to try billions of guesses per second. Password salting alone was no longer enough. Developers had to add another twist, the pepper. Pepper is a secret, application-wide salt that's combined with each user's salt. This double salting makes the hashes exponentially more secure, to the point where even the most sophisticated attacks would take centuries to crack. Today, leading websites and apps use salting and peppering to protect your sensitive credentials. So the next time you set a new password, remember the unsung heroes working behind the scenes to keep your data safe, the humble salt and pepper. These simple seasonings are the secret sauce that's protecting your digital identity from the shadowy forces of the internet. Spice up your password security with salting, and never let the hackers have the last laugh.